Okay, what we have here is 5 dirty carboned up spark plugs. And we're going to see which one of these 5 fuel cleaners will do a better job at cleaning up those carboned up spark plugs. So let's get started.
Use primer right here. I got some of this oil.
5W30.
Oh, it's good for like 45.
Good for storage.
That's their floor cleaner.
Out of the body.
Air intake.
Okay, so in each bowl I have the proper amount of gasoline to fuel cleaner ratio. And we'll see which one of these cleaners will do a better job at cleaning these spark plugs. Let's take a look at these plugs quick before I put them in. You can see they're pretty carboned up. Yeah, they're nasty looking. Okay. So we'll let those sit for about an hour. Timer right there. We'll see how they do. Okay, so that's close enough. Shut this off. First off, I want to say these 5 cleaners were used in previous videos, and they all did a pretty good job of dissolving the carbon off the spark plugs. Some of you, the viewers, wanted to see them go against each other. And with that being said, this is in no way a scientific test, and it's just to see which one of these fuel cleaners would probably do a better job at cleaning the combustion chamber. Also wanted to say the gasoline used in these bowls is Mobil 87 octane gasoline. So let's take a look at these up close and see what's going on. Okay, this one, B12 chem tool. Oh yeah, I can see some stuff there. Yeah, it's doing something. How about the Gumout? Ooh, Gumout's got a cloud there. Yeah, it's also doing something. How about the BG44K? That's also doing something. We got here the Redline. Wow, that's really working good. Look at that. That's the Redline. That's doing a real good job. And the Amsoil, also doing a good job. Yeah, these are 4 good ones, 5 good ones actually. Yeah, these are 5 good ones doing a pretty good job. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna let these sit overnight. Set this back up here. Yeah, so I'll let these sit overnight, maybe around 18 hours or so, and we'll see how good they do. They look pretty good. They're actually doing a pretty good job right now. Okay, so I'll be back in, I don't know, about 18 hours my time and about 2 seconds of your time. Okay, be right back. Okay, so they've been soaking for about 15 hours. Let's take a look at them. Put these over. Here. All right, let's look at them close. And the B12. It looks about the same. You can see a lot of stuff down there though. Gumout. Looks about the same also. BG44K. Got a little darker. Redline. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff there on the bottom. Redline's doing pretty good. Got a lot darker also. And the Amsoil. It's about the same, a little darker. Yeah, the B12 and the Gumout, they stayed about the same color. Didn't get too much darker, but these guys over here got darker. The Amsoil, Redline, and the BG44K. Okay. Okay, well, let's take a close-up look at them and see what they look like. Yeah, they still got a lot of gunk on them. But some of it did come off. I'll try to put a before and after on here. You can still see some on there, but you can also see some cleaning going on here. And that's with the Redline. And these two. Get the focus here. Come on, focus it. Yeah, there's still a lot of gunk on here. Can't get it to focus good though. Come on. I'll get it before and after if I can get one in there. There's still a lot of gunk. And the Amsoil. That's still got a lot of gunk too. But you know, I can see some cleaning. Well, these guys probably have stayed in here about a week. I don't know. I guess to me they all did about the same. I'm surprised they didn't do actually a better job than that. Well, I mixed them according to the direction, so that's probably why. This one probably wasn't as potent as I usually make them. So I don't know. I can't decide which cleaner did a better job. What do you guys think? I'll tell you what, in the comments, please post 2 of these cleaners that you think did the best. I'll tally them up and let them have a shootout to find the best one out of this bunch. Well, I think I'll wrap this video up. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. These are quite crusty. These are crusty spark plugs.